Hello and welcome to the Flipping and Wholesaling Houses in New York show. I'm Michael Pinter. I teach you how to start flipping and wholesaling houses in New York, or if you're already doing it, how to grow your business. So we're talking about Ringless voicemail, what you need to know about RVM, Ringless voicemail. So this is a marketing channel that I've been using for a while. At this time right now, I am not using it, but it's something I'm probably going to revisit. So the things you need to know about it. So what it is dropping, in theory, voicemails into people's voicemail boxes without it ringing. So that's supposed to legally go around some of the calling issues. There are other issues with it, and people have been sued for it. It's illegal in, I think, Florida, maybe some other states. It's not illegal in New York, but calling might be, it's complicated, but things you need to know if you decide to do it. First of all, there's a bunch of service providers. So Roar, R-O-O-R. I use Message Communications. There's Stratix Communications. There are a bunch of people doing it. To me, it's the easiest and highest return on investment method that I use. It's a real set it and forget it. So this voicemail is called. Basically, the voicemails go, hey, I'm interested in buying property in your area. If you're interested, call this number. When they call the number, they get another voicemail. So don't answer these live ever, in my opinion. And that says, hey, we're looking to buy a property in your area. If you're interested in selling, leave a message. If you're not interested in selling, don't leave a message. You're going to get still angry people who are going to be upset. But important things to remember. Don't leave your real name or full name, company name on it. People have been sued. I have a friend in Kansas City who got sued for it, had to settle. So you don't want to get into it. And when people call back, you want to screen them and see if they're people who might be actually interested in selling, or if these are people who are just trying to get your information and maybe sue you. But for me, it's a set it and forget it system. I probably spend a few $1,000s a year on it. I get a few deals from it a year. So it's a huge return on investment. I think it works. You get people on it that maybe would not be reachable through other traditional means. I made 70 grand on a deal with people that the only real way I was ever going to get them was through a voicemail. They had listened to all their voicemails. They didn't have internet. They really didn't get mail, which is crazy, but they were in a different location, and it worked. So I'm a fan of Ringless voicemail. You just have to check out, and can't do anything illegal. You have to be careful what you do. You know, there's a lot of questions about whether it, I don't want to get into the whole legalities. You got to speak to an attorney about. Well, if you speak to an attorney about it, they're going to tell you not to do it, obviously, because that's what attorneys do. But I would say that Ringless voicemail is something you should look at, be careful with. If you need any help, I'm happy to help you. If you need other help, you can go to howtoflipnewyork.com. If you're interested in getting my coaching, go to coaching.howtoflipnewyork.com. If you like these videos, please click like, and if you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe. Thank you very, very, very much.